All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify the following fractions. The first one I see is 8 over 12. Now I notice that these are both even numbers because they are divisible by 2. So I could divide the numerator and denominator by 2. But I'm thinking that there might be a bigger number that could go into 8 and 12, and that number would be 4. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 4. When I do that, 4 can go into 8 2 times, and 4 can go into 12 3 times. Now looking at 2/3, there isn't a number that can go into 2 and 3 perfectly other than 1, so our simplified fraction for 8/12 would be 2/3. Looking at the next problem, we have 9/24. So looking at this, we have an odd number and we have an even number. So I cannot divide both of these numbers by 2. The next number I'm going to think about is the number 3. I know that 9 and 24 are both divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide both of these by 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 can go into 24 8 times. When I look at 3 over 8, there isn't a number that can go into both of them perfectly other than 1, so 3/8 is our final answer. Lastly, we have 15 over 50. I notice I've got an odd number and an even number, so I can't divide by 2. 3 won't work, neither will 4. But I do notice that it ends in a 5 and a 0. Anytime a number ends in 5 or 0, it's divisible by 5. So I'm going to go ahead and divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. 5 can go into 15 3 times, and 5 goes into 50 10 times. When I look at 3/10, there isn't another number that could go into 3 and 10 perfectly other than 1, so 3/10 would be the reduced form of 15/50.